Unboxing and my first impressions of the Huawei P30 and the P30 Pro, so keep watching. Now starting with the unboxing, the P30 and the P30 Pro is almost the same, where the box comes in all white with the Huawei P30 or the P30 Pro wording in front and the Leica logo below. Then opening up the box, you'll immediately see the phone itself. Underneath that, you'll find a box with a SIM ejector pin on the outside and a clear phone case on the inside. Then there's the Huawei supercharger adapter, the USB-A to USB-C cable, and the P30 comes with a 3.5mm earphones, where the P30 Pro comes with a USB-C earphones instead. Now starting from the phone's designs, both phones comes with a glass back, where the P30 comes with a flatter design and the P30 Pro comes with a curved body very similar to the Mate 20 Pro with the aluminium build at the sides. Then the cameras are placed at the back on a vertical position towards the left of the phone, and you won't find any fingerprint sensors at the back of the phones because the P30 and the P30 Pro comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now let's look at the phone screen. The P30 comes with a 6.1 inch, where the P30 Pro comes with a bigger 6.4 inch display, and both comes with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. Now as for the phone spots and buttons, it has the same buttons on the right, where it has the volume rocker and the power button. Then looking on the left, you will find the SIM card and the nano memory card slot for only the P30. And then looking down below, the P30 comes with the headphones jack, which you guys know I'm a huge fan of. But unfortunately, there isn't for the P30 Pro, where you'll find the SIM card and the nano memory card slot, and then you'll find the USB-C port and the speaker grill over there. Then on top, only for the P30 Pro, there's the IR blaster. Now looking at the camera specs, the P30 comes with a 40 megapixel f1.8 aperture lens, a 60 megapixel f2.2 aperture lens, and an 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture. And then the P30's camera has a high zooming capabilities up to 30 times. Then looking at the P30 Pro, it has a 40 megapixel f1.6 aperture lens, a 20 megapixel f2.2 lens, and then there's also a very unique 8 megapixel f3.4 periscope lens with also a TOF 3D camera. And believe it or not, the P30 Pro gives you a zooming capabilities up to 50 times. Holy
sweet.
So yeah, stay tuned for my full review of the phone together with my picture samples once I get my full review unit of the phone. So subscribe to Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Then for the front camera, it comes at a 32 megapixel f2.0 aperture for both of the phones. Now as for video, both phones can record up to 4K UHD 2160 at 30 frames per second. Then both phones comes with a Kirin 980 chipset with the Mali G76 MP10 GPU, where the P30 comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, and the P30 Pro comes with 8 gigs of RAM with 128, 256 and 512 gigs of storage. Now as for the phone software, it comes with the latest and greatest Android 9 Pie and also the EMUI 9 skin. And then looking at the phone's battery, the P30 comes with 3650 mAh of battery and a 4200 mAh of battery for the P30 Pro. And the P30 Pro also has a wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, where you can charge other devices similar to what the Mate 20 Pro had. Now stay tuned for the price listing for both phones here in Malaysia once I get the official announcement, and by this time the official global price will be out, so you can always convert the price to get your rough estimated price. Alright guys, so with this, do let me know what you guys would like to know about the P30 and also the P30 Pro at the comment section below. And as usual, once I get my hands on the review unit, I'll answer every single questions that you guys have on my full video review. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my quick first impressions video and also the unboxing for the P30 and the P30 Pro. And if you like this video, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Lobo, and I'll catch you guys very soon.